It's a den of abomination. You know what a den is. Noah will throw, Daniel will throw into the lion's den, where some group or whatever are gathered. It's called den. It's a den of criminalities. It's a den of abomination. It's a den of rascality. It's a den of wickedness. It's a den of hypocrisy. It's a den of thieves, and also a den of cultureless people. Then another thing again, the most brainwashed people on planet Earth are doing it. Very, they are too brainwashed. Some Edoilian culture is like an animal called goat. You know, when you use the word goat at times, if you don't put animal, there are a lot of people they say greatest of them all. That's the meaning of goats. Greatest of them all. That's the meaning of goats. They do say it at times. Like say, they'll say Cristiano Ronaldo are goats. Greatest of them all. Now they use on me. Or the greatest of all time or something. The greatest of all time. Whatever. Don't care to know. Now, some Edoilian culture is like animal called goat or sheep who slept with their mother. That's why the most cultureless set of people are doing. Look at this very man in Germany. We were hearing one time that the children sleep with each other. That's what we had. The records are out there. Now, who is Princess Mariabe? Is it not related to the palace? Now, how many of you that your father taught you or what this was supposed to be inherited in animal, but to them, they live like animals. Cultureless, very, very cultureless. You know the reason why I'm doing this right now? If you remain you are going to be heated. Being that way, you will hear the truth. I'm going to make the social media to be so toxic. You are going to hear what you have not heard before. According to your word, who is Princess Mariabe? Who is Princess Mariabe? Before I come and play a video to you, I will allege it, but go and think, who is Princess Mariabe? Who is Princess Mariabe to Obai? Is he just a wife? Are they related? Look at their father. What he represents. He's supposed to marry from another clan. So what we are hearing allegedly, he likes sleeping with his sister. Tell me how a head with such a state go forward in life. We are the custodian of your ancestors. Omainegbe is a moron. I will do the live video in the present. Share the video with him. If you claim it's your father, but you are luring me to it. A cultured man. Me that evidence, I know my core value. We were not taught not to peep our sisters. Now, all the decisions that have been made by the palace of the Oba of Benin, Edo State, which one has favored you? Which one? Can you put it there? That this one favored you. God the king is a pedophile? Listen to what this man said. Let me play for us.
Prince Oromia came to invade Igbodomigodo in 12th century AD. During the invasion, they didn't succeed. He deliberately defiled, raped, and impregnated our daughter, Princess Eyimide, which gave birth to the first Oba of Benin. So the whole of Oba Iweka dynasty, they are illegitimate, they are illicit, they are pawned children. They are not supposed to. The Oba of Benin is the son of our daughter. And not the son of our daughter ruling us and still insulting us. That's why we said that those who live in glass houses should not trust them. Besides that, it has never happened in the history of Benin. Obayere Dawa slept with his own sister.
Now, what did you just hear? Or where Obayere Dawa slept with his own sister, according to this very man. Now, why this man have not been persecuted? What did Idoilian be doing to debunk this very nonsense? Why Yannick been an ego? Shit. You don't watch her because I gave you that warning.
My guy, your eye go sharpen because it be like say it don't they happen. No shaking, nothing they happen, nobody won't buy, but they won't go heaven. Vinimara no they call it last. See now, there is a trouble in the kingdom.
If you get for my masters of take my life. If you don't get right for the lie, you were the worst man say Benin, what fearful. Your first king will die for your eye. Because somebody see through and token. What fearful. Who they give an amount to say one land for 4 people for Benin land? Oba, the Chris, Oba not their life. Foolish people. You come and say, hey, Abba. Your papa will be hungry for a village. Oba don't go give him 1,000 euro before. 1,000 naira. For 20 years to 20 years. All your year when you get, Oba they receive everything, jealous, beg everything. Okay, they talk now, you can't say, Oba need to be governor. But Benin put the talk and say, Oba near do, I say, Wepo. Oba there, Benin go say, Wepo. The problem come from not summer. But if plantain they come from Canada, you receive them. If antelope they come from Akbo, you collect them. If grandmama won't bring kenke, you eat them. No problem come. Oba not feel press anyone. No better for now, we be Benin people. Wow, all the people who Benin land, no one will pass off. No one. I just am saying about God your word. But see the way when Nigeria Benin some girls they suffer. Oba no so you know see Benin boys the Lord they suffer. Now back us and where some of them they suffer. No no. Wow, we never can never show go portion for that shit. Hey, you man come as a road bag. I need to wanna be for that nonsense land. Go pursue your back come first. Before solution with it. Nonsense. Some man going your back on the 40 but so you just did the we fuck in the morning they different. We go fuck afternoon they different. We go fuck in the evening they different. You they fuck they keep people for bush. What you know? Some of them will die for Oba issue. My cash on about myself. Oba matter will kill your papa one day. And Oba don't know whether your father. You never know your papa name. They even did the grant. Go palace now. Go. Now side of a push you go down. Wow, fear with Oba. Your Oba not the way you they do me love. Oba not the way that they carry land. They fold. And mostly if I don't see foreigner who are now 1 year or your way, you see Boma welcome you house of Benin. When I be Benin people, they find out to collect it. Marry it up. For Onigbe where they for bomb, you know land where they collect. You know how so they collect for Agboma hands for Onigbe. Okay, that this I don't forget. Benin people. Now no people, other child will build house on the land. Now will collect their house. If not now, who are you move your way? I never grow that and that and they wear pants. Who come from Onigbe? You go know. I was born and brought up in Onigbe. Market square where do Onigbe Express. Now 2 market they get. You get one where they inside, get one where they express. One Agboma, or your Wallison, or not Tolo Express. Onigbe. This man, or he suffer farm work. Yeah, family. He just repair 2 room, the rest 90. Or say the man is suffer. He never plaster out, never on generator, they never they set shovel. No person build house, only 2 room 9 raise, use zinc cover window. Many people collect the house for your hand. When I went down, I don't people. So I don't forget. I didn't remember now. That time they wear pants. I don't go forget them. And for that Benin city, if you not try, if I use it here, say you go my build house, so now collect her for your hand. When I wake up, 3 house for upper there. I'm not by even for regrowth. Any direction can serve. Me Poco. Eh? Men are still looking where we're Benin people. That house, all those houses where I get for upper. You know they rain again. Oh. I feel even leave the house for now, but I'll do something stupid. Now has been a problem. Carry. You know pattern of house where they rain. You know land when I get for other places. But I'll do something stupid. I'll dash on my house. Oh, I'll go for see their life. Oh, I feel they need people, very local people. Anywhere una go, disgrace go more follow. Anywhere una go, disgrace go follow. Anywhere disgrace go follow. Nonsense. No, not the shame. What about not the one of my do ashawo? They use your to where God give you, maybe we give 1 man. Use and pay 60,000 euros. Let them say pay 80.
I once said that time will come, a Benin son, a Benin daughter will be forced to confront and tell you people the truth. Because when people like us are saying it, many of you think that maybe we are being paid. That's why you see them coming, IPOB paid us, they want to call us Biafra, they want to say we are Biafra. Some of our people ignorantly will be supporting them. People like George Onibe that will be denying that he's not evil. But you see, in life, everything that has a beginning has an end. Mostly when it is built on supremacy, on lies, on extortion, on suppressing the oppressed, it will come to an end. Don't you see? Fulani are going up and down, doing, I didn't get Nigeria, nothing will happen. Donald Trump just greeting them Merry Christmas by sending them bomb. Bang, bang, bang. Even the evidence nobody see, but everybody is shocked as Donald Trump tweeted it. He's wishing Christmas even to the dead terrorist. I go lie for you. This is exactly that's happening in Benin. You know, see, when you want to use a culture, falsely culture, in the 21st century, you have not been able to modernize the culture, to accept the modern day thing. You are still wanting to practice old way. Oba say this one, say for that reason, nobody should question it. For that reason, everybody should swallow their speech. This is 21st century. This is not 12th century. This is not 13th century. This is not the 500 years of dark ages, when slave trade was on and people are making money from merchandise from their fellow human beings, sacrificing us to the gods. The demystification of the Benin kingdom is here to stay. Now me talk you watch that video. Emphatically, the girl was expressing her will. There was something because I didn't collect the entire video. There was something the girl said that is very, very, very important. I want to draw people's attention to. Onyeka, no nyukwani, ne claiming bonye Bini. Did you hear what the girl said? Bini people are collecting land from Igbo people, and the only Igbo man he knows to use as an example, the one he knows, is an Igbo man. I go live for you. Pause and go back and rewatch the video again, because many of you don't pay attention. They say that if you want to know the truth, quarrel with your neighbor. When you are quarreling with your neighbor, he will tell you things they have discussed in secret and things they know about you. When people are angry, they will tell you the truth to your face. Now, an Igbo man is known as an Igbo man in Benin. Just stone throw. The Igbo man that is claiming to be a Benin person, because he wants to deny that the girl is saying, I know land where Benin people collect from Igbo people. The only man he can use as an example is an Igbo man from a land in Delta State. When we tell you that your enemy knows who you are more than you know yourself, it is not that real. But they are treating you the way they are treating the Southeastern Igbo. You there outside, they treat you the way. Evidence. Every day we keep bringing fact and evidence, verifiable information. When you quarrel with people, that's when they will tell the truth. You know, see, anyway, I don't want this video to be long, but at least I've drawn your attention to things that these people know who you are. They know you as an Igbo person. Only Igbo keo, you only Igbo, and only thing they may be Igbo. Also, quite I see that it look similar. Why you don't look similar to where you are coming from? See? Anyway, a lot of issues they on ground. I don't know what is the problem. I don't want to know, but the truth is that you will not know that those who are insulting us, the Igbo people don't like themselves. Igbo people are not united. Even their kings are on fire. Igbo people, they insult their king. Igbo people, they insult that this is now happening to the great, in quotes, great Benin kingdom. People are not telling the Oba what he don't want to hear. Am I supporting it? No. But like our people say now, this is the era we are. You have to respect yourself for the reciprocation of the respect to come to you. It doesn't matter your title or your position. And people are ready to go the extra miles. That is the truth. Even a goat one time will stand and fight a lion. That is it. There's a way you oppress people with your tradition, with your culture in the 21st century, with their awareness, with their awakeness. People will say, no, this will not happen. You know, you what the get a talk say, if now in house we give you made a collect, you know how many way you don't get. Person will no lose, no they get. They don't send those things, but let them say the truth. At one point in life, you will sacrifice everything, but let the truth be aired, let the truth be said. That is the era we are. It's called information age, where you cannot hide information. And people are going to say, you might call it content, you might give, because it actually in the technical word is content, but people are going to confront you, tell you what you don't want to hear. That thing you say they should tell you in secret, they will tell you in public, because you have made yourself a public topic. I'm out of here, Joe.